the IRS audit process. Hey, it's Michael Rozbruch, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit and founder of Roz Strategies. And let's talk today about the IRS audit process. It's no secret that the IRS is auditing less and less income tax returns. But let's say one of your clients does get audited, okay? Here's what you need to do. Number one is you need to get retained on that case, okay? Because if your client goes to the IRS themselves, that's akin to like going to court without a lawyer, because the IRS is trained. Trust me, the IRS auditor, the revenue agent, is not your friend. They're not your client's friend. They have one interest in common, and that is to assess as much tax against your client as is humanly possible. That's their mission. That's their mantra. As a matter of fact, in these meetings, especially if it's an in-office meeting with a revenue agent, they're going to ask your client about 4 dozen very intrusive questions. And depending on how you answer those questions will dictate your client's fate. So I have never in 16 years ever taken a client to an audit. Even if they summons my client, the summons is ineffective because in the summons you'll see some of the things that the IRS is asking for. And as long as you provide those documents in the summons, it renders the summons invalid. There is no law that says you have to take your client to an audit. Just remember that. They will want you to, they will demand that you do, they will put it in writing that you do, but it has no teeth. Again, in 16 years, I have never taken a client to an audit because I don't want my client to answer these questions that may be bad for them during the rest of the case. Hey, Michael Rozbruch here, the Roz Man, the tax resolution guy. Go check out my podcast, The Tax Resolution Success Show, on Apple or Google. Subscribe, or you can go to my website, rozstrategies.com, and go to the podcast page. It's a great show. Hope you subscribe. I'll see you there.